Pretty much everyone dreams of being rich, right? But becoming a millionaire by the time you're just 25? Whoa, that's a whole different ballgame. That's not just a dream, it's a massive goal that needs a totally different way of thinking. So what does that journey actually look like? Let's dive in and break down the blueprint.
But hang on, before we even get into the how, there's a much more important question you have to ask yourself right now. Are you really, truly ready to do the kind of hard work that most people run away from? Because according to our source, everything, and I mean everything, comes down to how you answer that.
Okay, so if you're still with me, if you're serious about this, then listen up. The path isn't some secret trick or a lottery ticket. It's about a complete and total shift in 3 specific areas of your life. This right here, this is the blueprint.
So what's this blueprint? Well, it's built on 3 pillars: your mindset, how you think, your time, how you use your 24 hours, and your work, how you actually make money. Each one builds on the last, so let's start at the very foundation, your mindset.
First things first, your mindset. This is the absolute starting point. See, becoming wealthy isn't just about bank accounts and stocks. It all starts up here, in your head. It's about how you think, how you see opportunities that other people just walk right past. It's a mindset game before it's ever a money game. And check this out. This really drives the point home. You could literally hand $1 million to someone with a poor mindset, and chances are they'll find a way to lose it. But someone with a rich mindset, they could start with nothing, zero, and build a fortune. The real starting line isn't in your bank account. It's in your brain.
So once you've got the mindset right, we move to the next pillar, your time. And here's the best way to keep yourself honest. Ask yourself this one simple but super powerful question every single day. Not what you're planning to do tomorrow, but what you actually do today. So what's stealing that precious time? Well, there are the obvious ones, right? Binge watching shows, getting lost in mobile games. But the source also points to something it calls time pass friends. You know the ones, the people in your circle who don't really share your drive and just kind of pull you away from your goals. These aren't just little distractions. They're huge roadblocks on your path.
And that brings us to the third and, honestly, maybe the most important change you have to make, your way of working. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's where that sharp mindset and that disciplined use of time actually start to generate real wealth.
Let's be real for a second. If your goal is as huge as becoming a millionaire by 25, a traditional 9-to-5 job just isn't going to cut it. It's not going to happen. The timeline's way too short and the income is just too steady, too linear. You need a completely different engine to create that kind of wealth.
So, if a regular job isn't the answer, what is? Well, the source breaks it down into this 4-part engine. 1, you got to develop high-value skills that people will pay top dollar for. 2, use those skills to build a side business, a whole new stream of income. 3, invest that new income so your money starts making money. And finally, the glue that holds it all together, smartness. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart and making strategic moves.
And here's the best part. We are living in the perfect time to do this. The digital world has completely torn down the old walls to building wealth. It has opened up opportunities that just didn't exist a generation ago. And in this digital world, these are some of the clearest paths to building that fortune. Every single one of these, coding, digital marketing, creating content, is a high-value skill. You can turn them into a side business, a freelance career, or an e-commerce empire. These are like the new gold rushes. Seriously. Okay, so we've talked about the what, right? The mindset, the time, the work. But all the strategy in the world means nothing without the fire inside you. You need that why. You need an intense, burning passion for success to fuel you when things get tough.
And this is how that passion becomes real progress. Success isn't about daydreaming for hours on end. It's built from tiny, consistent steps, day after day after day. It's the discipline of writing that one line of code when you're tired, or making that one extra call every single day.
Now, let's not sugarcoat this. $1 million in just a few years, that is incredibly hard. It is not easy. But here's the most important thing to burn into your brain. It is not impossible. Other people have done it, and it can absolutely be done again. So what's the secret ingredient? The magic formula? Well, it's right here. And this part, it's non-negotiable. You need an obsession that other people might think is crazy, a deep, genuine passion for what you're building, and an absolutely relentless, I will not quit, never give up attitude.
When you strip everything else away, It all comes down to this one simple, powerful idea. The person who actually pulls this off isn't the smartest person in the room or the luckiest. It's the one who stops planning and just starts doing today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, today.
Because while that person is out there building, learning, and even failing their way forward, everyone else, they're still just dreaming. They're stuck waiting for that perfect time that, let's be honest, never actually shows up.
And that brings us right back to the beginning with the simple question that changes everything. Are you going to be a doer or are you going to be a dreamer? The only real question left is, will you start today?